tears in them or if they're fairly perfect. If they do have a lot of tears, that could be from chasing animals through bushes, fighting with the other elephants. Then you look at her tusks as well. If her tusks are perfect, there we go. If her tusks are perfect, then she's a very relaxed elephant. Perfect ears, perfect tusks, very relaxed. So, she shook her head there, but it might be because of that ditch that she walked through. If she comes close, we must just sit very quietly and very still.
Well, we couldn't get it closer.
No.
Well done, man. That's a nice shot, yeah?
I reckon this is going to be very nice.
So we're pass in front of us now. Yeah.
The little calf. I just sit very quietly when she walks behind her. But see, she's protecting the calf when he's walking across the road.